Hello students, welcome to 7th maths class. Today we are going to start a revision of our terminal syllabus. First, today we are going to see revision of chapter number 8, algebraic expression and operations on them. So algebraic expressions are the expressions which contains some variables, coefficients and operations between them. What is coefficient, variables and term we will see now. The algebraic expression may contain one or more terms. Now what is meant by term? Term is an expression in which multiplication is the only operation. For example, you can see here these are the terms 11mn. There is multiplication in between 11m and n. Next, if you will see minus 9x square y square, this is also shows there is multiplication between 9x square and y square, y cube. Like that, if there is only multiplication operation is present, that term is that is called term. What is meant by coefficient? Coefficient is the number associated with the letter present in term. For example, here if you will see first term 11mn, which number is present here? 11. So it is a coefficient. Here in second term minus 9, along with sign we have to take minus 9, so that is coefficient. In third it is 5 by 6 and here nothing is there, means 1 is present. Now variable, variables are the letters or whose value is changing, that is called variable. So in first term variables are m and n, second variables are x and y, in third variable is p and in last variable is a. So this is mean coefficient and variable. Now what is meant by like terms? Like terms are those terms which have same variable with same index. For example, here if you will see, in first example, this one variable, here is x, here is also x and here is also x. What is the index of this? Index means power of that. Here power of x is 1, here power of x is 1 and here also power of x is 1. Means these are like terms. Condition is that variables should be same and powers of that variable should be same. Then only they are said to be like terms. Second example, see, power of x is 2, power of x is 2. Now power of y is 1 and here also power of y is 1. That's why these are also like terms. Opposite to that, unlike terms, they are not having same variables, or if variables are same, their powers are not same, then they are called unlike terms. Next is, based on how many terms are present in algebraic expression, there are types of algebraic expressions as monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So first is monomial. Monomial means it contains only one term. These are the examples. Binomial means they contains two examples. That expression contains two terms. This is first term, second term, first term, second term. Like that, they contains only two terms. Trinomial is the algebraic expression which contain three terms. First, second, third. Like that, they contains three terms. Last one is polynomial. That is the algebraic expression which contains either 4 or more than that. So the algebraic expression which contains 4 terms or more than that are called polynomials. Next is operations on algebraic expression. First operation is addition operation. While adding algebraic expression, like terms are only added. For example, here if you will see 4x plus 3x. So here these two are monomials and like terms also. So here simply coefficients we will add, variables we will keep as a common. 3 plus 4 it's 7 and x we will write commonly as 7x. Next example, see minus 3x minus 8 and plus 5x. So here coefficient is minus 3, minus 8 and 5. Their operation we will just do minus 3 and minus 8 is minus 11 plus 5 is minus 6. So it's minus 6 and commonly we will write x. Next is addition of binomials. Binomials are added in same way below same term or below same term, exactly like term should be there. This can be done in two ways, horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. So here if you will see, this is first binomial, this is second binomial. Simply remove the bracket and like terms collect together. This terms contains x and this term contains y. So simply we can add 2x plus 3x 5x and 2y plus 4y is 6x. Vertically also same we have to do. Below x, x terms should be there and below y, y terms. That is same terms should be one below other and just we have to add the coefficients, variables right as it is. Next is subtraction of algebraic expressions. Here also same procedure we have to follow as like addition. These two are monomials, 9x minus 4x. So first coefficient is 9, second coefficient is minus 4. So simply 9 minus 4 it's 5 and x as a common we will take. This was for monomial. Now if binomial expressions are then what to do? Suppose this is first expression and this is second expression and we are going to subtract second expression from first. This is also by two methods we can do, horizontal and vertical. So for horizontal arrangement, what we have to do, write first expression as it is, but when we are writing second expression, all the signs of that expression's terms we have to reverse. Means here as 9 is positive, it will become negative. 27 is negative, it will become positive, and 14 is positive, it will become negative. So second expressions, all signs we have to change. This is the only change while doing subtraction of binomials. For vertical arrangement also same, write first algebraic expression as it is, but for second expression what we have to do, change all the signs and then do operation. Next is multiplication of algebraic expression. First is monomial by monomial. During multiplication, coefficients also we are multiplying and variables also. This is not like addition. In addition what we are doing, just we are adding coefficients. Variables we are keeping as it is. We were not adding variables. But here multiplication is taking place between coefficients also and between variables also. For example, see 3x into 12y, here 3 into 12. These two coefficients are multiplied whose answer is 36 and also x into y is multiplied whose answer is xy. Like that, see next example, minus 12x into 3y square. Minus 12 into 3 is minus 36 and x into y square is xy square. So here coefficient and variables both are added. Both are multiplied. Next is multiplying binomial by monomial. Here simply steps we have to follow. This is monomial and these are binomials. So what we have to do, first step is monomial into first term of binomial plus sign, then monomial into second term of binomial. Now for binomial into binomial what we have to do, see this is first binomial, this is second binomial. Now what are the steps, see from first term of first binomial multiply first term of second binomial, then by same term second term of second binomial, as addition is there, addition sign, then by this second term of first binomial first term of second binomial, and then by second term of first binomial, second term of second binomial. Here is also addition. So this is first operation, or this is first step, second step, third step and fourth step. So in this way multiplying binomial by binomial is done. Next is equations in one variable. How to find the value of variables? Solve the following equations. Means it needs to solve, or we need to find the value of variable here. Remember that whenever we are sending any term next to equal to sign, that is called transpose. Next to equal to, or side is changed of any term, then it is called transposed. So during this transpose, signs are becoming changed, that is positive is becoming negative, negative is becoming positive, multiplication is becoming division, and division is becoming multiplication. These rules we have to follow when we are sending any term from one side to the other side of equal to, and accordingly we have to find the value of variables.